Here we are. Dr. Cat Dad at your service, here to observe the most beautiful creature known to man, Toothless the cat, in his natural habitat, as he approaches a suspected predator. Bobbing and weaving his head, quite natural for this beautiful feline as he approaches the side of this cat. What a beauty! What a sight, ladies and gentlemen. What a treat. As Toothless comes to the side of this tiger that has imposed on his land. Slowly but surely, very quietly, doing his slow motion walk, he approaches the tiger from behind. Wondering, is this tiger here for ill means, or is he just a stuffed animal that his cat dad got him? We will never know unless we inspect thoroughly. Let me get a good picture of this. Oh, it looks like he went in for a little sniff of the behind. Quite natural for the toothless feline, as he goes in again for a sniff of the behind. Very nice. Oh, he spotted us. Now, a second treat, ladies and gentlemen. We get to observe the much more feeble feline version of the Toothless is the Fury cat, as he is automatically at a disadvantage at lower ground. The tiger, Smart's got the higher ground. As Fury tries to jump up, he fails. Time and time again, he fails. Oh, there he goes. Oh, very much like the Toothless. He goes in for a little sniffle of the behind. Oh, and now he's eating the mane of the tiger. Never seen this tactic before, ladies and gentlemen. And he is bored.
Got scared and he's been hiding for the past 45 minutes. I think he might be under here. You okay, buddy? It's okay. It's just a fake tiger. I know, I'll leave you alone. Come out whenever. Love you.